So, you've just been served with a lawsuit from a debt collector. I get it. That feeling of panic is completely normal. Your mind is racing, you're worried about your wages being garnished, and you have no idea what to do next. Here's the good news. Getting sued does not mean you've already lost. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to respond to a debt collector lawsuit, step by step, in plain English. By the end of this video, you'll know what those papers really mean, what deadlines matter, what mistakes to avoid, and how to respond to a debt collector lawsuit. But first, let's just address something quickly. Don't call the debt collector. This sounds backward. But hear me out. Debt collectors are trained to get you talking. Friendly voice, fake concern. Then, boom. You say something that hurts your case, or even admit a debt they could not prove. From this point on, communicate only through the court unless a lawyer tells you otherwise. The papers you received are called a summons and complaint. The summons tells you that you're being sued and your name should be listed as a defendant. The summons will describe the business that's suing you. The business is also known as the plaintiff. Most importantly, the summons will have a deadline that you must respond by. This deadline varies from state to state. Find that date immediately. Ignoring the deadline is how you automatically lose. The complaint is the debt collector's side of the story. It's broken down into numbered paragraphs, with each one making a specific claim, like, defendant owes $5,000. Think of it as their official story for how much money you owe. Your job is to go through that story, paragraph by paragraph, and poke holes in it. The biggest mistake you can make right now is getting overwhelmed and shutting down. Ignoring a lawsuit will not make it go away. It will make things 1,000 times worse. When you don't file a response by that deadline, the debt collector's lawyer strolls into court and asks the judge for a default judgment. Since you never showed up to argue your side, the court just assumes everything the debt collector said in the complaint is true. The judge signs a paper, and the debt collector wins. With a default judgment, a collector can take money out of your paycheck or your bank accounts. Debt collectors can also place a lien on your property. If you own a home, they can put a legal claim against your house to collect the debt. All right, so now you understand the consequences of not filing an answer. So, let's discuss how to write your answer. This is your formal, written reply to the complaint. Step 1 is to find the right document. Your answer has to look like a proper legal document. A great first step is to search your local court's website for Answer to Civil Complaint Form. Many courts have free, fill-in-the-blank templates online. The form should also be at the clerk's office in the courthouse. Step 2 is to respond to every single allegation. You're going to go through the complaint number by number and respond to each paragraph. For every numbered paragraph, you have 3 options. Number 1 is to admit. This means you agree the statement is 100% true. Number 2 is to deny. This means you're stating the allegation is false. Number 3 is lack sufficient information to admit or deny. This just means that you don't have enough information to either admit or deny. For example, this is what an answer would look like. Alright, so now you understand the consequences of not filing an answer. Now you know how to respond to a debt collector's lawsuit. But what are some legal loopholes that you can use? Watch part 2 to learn how to use an affirmative defense against debt collectors.